Welcome to our quick guide on demystifying the fine-tuning of language models, specifically focusing on llamas. Imagine fine-tuning a language model like choosing a specialized degree for a highly intelligent student. This customization is key to enhancing AI project performance, which often falls short when using raw large language models as simple chatbots. Fine-tuning a language model from first principles is essential. Instead of relying on analogies, this method roots the process in foundational truths, enabling better customization. Today, we will fine-tune Llama 3.8b in Google Colab to power an AI agent for complex task automation and improved decision-making. Initially, raw models struggle with generating reliable responses, making them unreliable for Python programs or other AI agents. However, by fine-tuning on a high-quality dataset, we can enable the model to transcend mere text generation and effectively accomplish tasks. The quality of your dataset is crucial. Create a dedicated dataset with manually edited, high-quality responses. Only include top-notch examples to ensure the fine-tuning process is effective and beneficial. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of fine-tuning Llama 3.8b in Google Colab for free. We will provide a dataset for quick reference. First, set up Google Colab with a T4 GPU and install the necessary libraries. Create an access token. Generate a token. Copy it and log into Hugging Face. Load the dataset, upload your dataset, and configure the settings. Start fine-tuning to begin the fine-tuning process. Monitor the training loss as it indicates how closely the model's outputs match actual data responses. Be cautious with the number of epochs to avoid memory issues and diminishing returns. For faster performance, you can quantize the model and run it locally in LM Studio. This is especially recommended for users with 8 GB plus RAM to test the model's performance on their machines. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the performance and reliability of Llama 3.8b for various AI applications. Fine-tuning transforms it from a general-purpose model to a specialized task-oriented powerhouse. Start fine-tuning your language model today to unlock its full potential for your AI project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching.